I'm looking at every single critical level. Here's one. Here's one. It was here. Here it is again. There it is. Do you see them?
Yes, sir.
That means that's going to be a critical level for today. So today, I would say if it can break 170.30, that's your upside. Do you see how I pulled that? To the downside, same thing. We're going to look at where it was. What are the critical levels that this thing was hammering on, right? Pre-market, previous day. We can see one here, 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 here. See them all?
Mm-hmm.
So now what I'm going to do is, depending on my average true range that I know in my head, in here, in this traffic, is going to be the downside. Then I make sure we're nowhere near a half number. If this was sitting on 169.56, nope. It has to be below it because it's to the downside. And we all know every half number, 50 cents, is also going to be its own resistance or support to the bottom.